Hey everybody, was gathering up some materials here to make a scarf. I've got my ice dyed silk, I have some alpaca roving, some alpaca bat, I have some goat hair here that I would use, some viscose that I would consider using. So those are my fibers, that I tend to use the most of consideration. So then we got my friction tools here with the little ceramic sander. I got a hand palm sander, got my water dispersal, have some netting that I use to cover it up as well. I have my pool cover, have my pool noodle, have a couple towels and things, but just kind of pulling it together and kind of thinking that maybe I should take my time and video this, document it, maybe create like an ebook or a tutorial. But I thought I would just see if people had questions that they thought if I were to make a tutorial or a video type training thing, what questions would you have about creating a scarf using Nuno felting techniques and alpaca fiber here in a natural black color. But let me know if you have any questions that you'd like answered. I'll try and incorporate them. I'm thinking that have a month or two before I need to really start preparing for Estes Park Wool Festival, that maybe I can squeeze in a few days, few hours to kind of record things as I go, document them as I go, and then maybe create a video tutorial / ebook on making a scarf with Nuno felting and alpaca fiber. Have a great day.